Microsoft Access 2010 using criteria in queries. The purpose of a query is to extract certain information. Let's see how to do that. Open the query Students query in Design View. Here we have a query that is based on the Students table that will currently display the surname, first name, grade, and room fields. If we switch to Datasheet View, you will note that there are 40 records. Now, all the records currently that the table consists of would display in the query. That is not the purpose of a query. How do we enter criteria? Let's look at Design View. In the criteria row, we are going to enter criteria in the grade field. Let's say we only want to see students from grade 10, 11, and 12. How do we enter criteria for that? We will type the greater than sign. That is called an operator. We only want 10, 11, and 12, so if we enter 9, the 9 would not display. Only 10, 11, and 12 will display. Alternatively, we can enter greater and equal to 10. This would mean the equal sign would include 10, 11, and 12, and not 9. Let's see what happens. Switch to Datasheet View and note only the students who are in grade 10, 11, and 12 display. Also note that there are now 22 records instead of the original 40. Let's see what happens if we take the equal sign away. When you switch to Datasheet View, you will note that now there are only 13 records and the grade 10s do not display. If you want to see more criteria in queries, let's switch to another query in Design View. Let's look at the criteria. In this field, which is called the surname field, we have criteria that is called like. Note the inverted commas, P, star, and the close on the inverted commas. This means that all the students whose surnames start with a P and have an unlimited number of characters, that's what the star means, will display. In the grade field, we have a greater than 8. Remember, 9, 10, 11, and 12 will display. In the room field, we have criteria as 410. This would mean that all the students who need to go to room 410 will display. Age has got a criteria of 15. That means all the students of the age of 15 will display. Note, there are no inverted commas in this field while there are inverted commas in the room field. Why would that be? This would mean that the room field's data type is text. Therefore, we need inverted commas. The age field's data type is a number. Therefore, no inverted commas. When you enter criteria, keep the data type in mind. If there are data types that are text and you need to enter criteria, put inverted commas.